Do you know many people are having trouble with the pitcher not filling in their Samsung RF23BB8600QL refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Mount water pitcher. Open the Beverage Center door, or the left door of the fridge, and mount the water pitcher onto the holder by pushing it straight in. Step 2. Verify secure fit. Ensure the water pitcher fits securely in the water pitcher holder. Step 3. Close door to fill. Close the door and wait for the water pitcher to start filling with chilled water. Step 4. Disable AutoFill. To keep the infused water in its initial concentration, turn off the AutoFill Pitcher function on the control panel. Step 5. Detach water pitcher. To drink, open the Beverage Center door, or the left door of the fridge, and detach the water pitcher by pulling it straight out. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot why your pitcher isn't filling in the Beverage Center. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.